The battlefield of the modern world is changing faster than ever. Armies are no longer relying on bulky machines from the past. Today, the push is toward faster, smarter, modular, and highly survivable armored vehicles. And in this race, one machine stands out. Born in Europe, engineered with precision, and trusted by nations for real combat missions. This is the Pandur II, a vehicle that proves that sometimes the most powerful warriors don't roar. They glide silently, strike intelligently, and survive brutally. Pandur II represents the next generation of European armored mobility, built through the collaboration of Austrian engineering and Czech manufacturing expertise. It is the successor to the original Pandur, a vehicle already respected worldwide. But the second generation, it's different, stronger, faster, more flexible, and more lethal. Designed for the modern battlefield where threats come from all directions, IEDs, small arms, ambushes, drones, and even urban traps, Pandur II is made to keep soldiers alive and missions successful. The most impressive thing about the Pandur II is its modularity. The same vehicle can be configured for infantry transport, reconnaissance, ambulance, command and control, fire support, engineering, and even anti-tank roles. Instead of building 10 different vehicles, the military can build multiple variants on the same strong platform. That means faster production, lower cost, and easier maintenance. Soldiers don't need to learn new systems, because everything operates on one universal design. Its armor is another highlight. Pandur II's hull is shaped and layered to protect against mines, roadside bombs, and ballistic threats. The V-shaped underbody deflects blast energy, helping soldiers survive IED attacks, still one of the deadliest threats of modern warfare. The vehicle can be fitted with additional armor plates, cage armor, and upgraded ballistic modules depending on mission requirements. It is a vehicle you can silently drive through a hot zone where explosions are common and soldiers still feel safe inside. Let's talk firepower, because a modern armored vehicle is useless if it cannot defend itself. Pandur II can mount a wide range of weapons, from 7.62mm and 12.7mm machine guns to automatic grenade launchers, remote weapon stations, and even heavy cannons. Some versions carry 30mm autocannons capable of ripping through enemy light armor from a distance. And the fire control systems are advanced enough to track, lock, and fire with pinpoint accuracy, even when the vehicle is moving over rough terrain. The engine is another masterpiece. Pandur II's powertrain gives it exceptional mobility on and off the road. Whether it's mud, snow, rocks, sand, or tight urban streets, the Pandur II never loses balance. It is fast enough to keep up with mechanized columns and agile enough to turn sharply in urban combat. One of the things soldiers appreciate is its interior design. The inside is spacious, organized, and purpose-built for long missions. There is enough room for fully equipped troops, their gear, and mission systems. The seats are blast-resistant, meaning they absorb shock waves during explosions, reducing injuries and increasing survival chances. The troop compartment is well lit and equipped with communication systems that allow soldiers to coordinate with drones, command centers, and supporting vehicles. Pandur II isn't just an armored vehicle, it's a mobile battlefield hub. Modern warfare demands digital strength, and the Pandur II delivers. Equipped with night vision, thermal cameras, battlefield management systems, and 360-degree awareness sensors, the vehicle gives commanders real-time data. It can detect threats before the crew even sees them, allowing quick decisions. And in war, a single second can decide victory or disaster. Nations using or evaluating the Pandur II appreciate one thing above all: reliability. This machine doesn't need constant repairs or expensive maintenance. It's built to run hard and run long. Militaries love vehicles that spend more time on missions and less time in workshops. Pandur II is known for its operational readiness and low maintenance hours per mission. The vehicle's amphibious capability is another advantage. Certain versions of the Pandur II can swim across rivers, lakes, and flooded regions without needing extra equipment. This is crucial for countries with complex terrain, rainy climates, or rapid response missions. Armies need mobility, and water obstacles should never slow them down. Pandur II turns those obstacles into pathways. When deployed in international missions, Pandur II has proven its strength. It has operated in peacekeeping roles, border security, reconnaissance patrols, and rapid reaction missions. Wherever it goes, it leaves behind a reputation of reliability and soldier safety. The world of armored vehicles is crowded with giants like the Boxer, Patriot AMV, Striker, and VBCI. Yet Pandur II maintains a strong fan base because it balances protection, firepower, and mobility without becoming too heavy or too expensive. It is the perfect middle ground for nations needing strong mechanized capability without the massive logistical costs of heavy systems. Another remarkable aspect is how easily the Pandur II can be customized. If a nation wants a high-tech version with full digital systems, it can be done. If they want a simpler version for patrol missions, that is also possible. This flexibility is one reason why the platform has remained relevant for years. Armies need vehicles that can evolve, and the Pandur II is engineered to adapt with future upgrades. Let's take a moment to talk about crew safety. In real combat, the ability to protect the people inside is more important than any weapon or engine, and this is where the Pandur II excels. Its armored hull, energy-absorbing materials, anti-mine design, and internal layout all focus on saving lives. Soldiers know that when they ride in a Pandur II, their survival chances in deadly situations increase significantly. Trust between a soldier and his machine is not easy to earn, but the Pandur II earns it every day. Its communication systems and sensors give it another advantage: situational awareness. In war, knowing what's around you is often more important than what weapon you carry. The Pandur II can detect enemy movement, incoming fire, or drones long before they become a threat. This information is instantly shared with the crew and with other units on the battlefield, creating a synchronized combat network. Modern war is about information. Pandur II is built for that future. The vehicle has also been chosen by different armed forces because of its cost efficiency. Many advanced armored vehicles today are highly capable but extremely expensive. Pandur II gives strong armor, excellent firepower, and powerful mobility at a price point that makes it accessible for armies that need quality without breaking their budgets. It's the kind of vehicle that proves a nation's military modernization doesn't need billions, just the right tools. As technology continues to evolve, the Pandur II will not remain static. Upgrades in AI-assisted targeting, active protection systems, drone integration, and hybrid powertrains are expected in future variants. The platform is designed to grow, not fade. And that is why it continues to be one of the most respected 686 armored vehicles. And now, as global tensions rise and nations rush to modernize their ground forces, the Pandur II continues to draw attention. Armies want a proven warrior, and this machine has already earned its place among the elites. If you have ever wondered what makes a modern armored vehicle truly successful, it's not just armor, not just weapons, and not just speed, it's balance. Pandur II brings that perfect balance. It is not the heaviest, not the largest, not the most expensive, but it is reliable, adaptable, and deadly when needed. And on today's battlefield, that combination is priceless. You are watching this detailed breakdown on our channel, where we bring the most powerful, rare, and advanced military machines from across the world. If you enjoy deep, cinematic, and engaging military content, make sure to stay connected with us, because more incredible machines are coming your way. And with that, we reach the end of this long and detailed journey into the world of the Pandur II, a machine built for survival, built for battle, built for the future. Thank you for watching. This is your channel, signing off. Stay sharp, stay aware, and as always, see you in the next video.